most common mistakes I see is people switching to a cheaper car insurance, then finding out after an accident that their new policy covered way less than they thought. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get accurate quotes online step by step so you can compare policies correctly and avoid that kind of expensive surprise. A lot of people think comparing insurance quotes is just typing their information into a few websites and picking the cheapest monthly payment. But honestly, insurance quotes can become very misleading if the coverage details are not structured correctly, because one company may look much cheaper at first, but the deductible, liability limits, collision coverage, or overall protection could be completely different from the other quote you're comparing it against. That's why sometimes people switch insurance companies thinking they're saving money, only to realize later they accidentally downgraded their protection significantly. That's why in this video, I want to walk you through how to get accurate insurance quotes online, what information you actually need before comparing rates, and how to compare policies correctly instead of only chasing the cheapest monthly payment. So let's go ahead and get into it. A car insurance quote is an estimate of how much an insurance company may charge you for coverage based on factors like your driving history, location, age, vehicle type, mileage, claims history, coverage limits, and deductibles. Insurance companies use huge amounts of data to calculate risk. That's why two people driving similar cars can still receive very different pricing depending on their overall profile. This is one of the reasons shopping for insurance feels confusing for so many people. There are so many variables affecting pricing behind the scenes that most drivers don't fully understand why rates vary so much between companies. The most important thing to understand is that insurance quotes are only accurate if the information being compared is actually consistent. So what you want to do first is gather your information. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to compare quotes without having their information organized first. That usually leads to rushed estimates, inaccurate pricing, or just incomplete comparisons. Before getting quotes, it helps to gather things like your driver's license information, VIN number, current policy details, annual mileage estimate, and basic information about anyone driving the vehicle regularly. One of the smartest things that you can do is pull up your current insurance policy before comparing quotes. That's going to allow you to see exactly what your current liability limits, deductibles, and coverages already look like. Because if you compare quotes without matching the same coverage structure, the numbers become almost meaningless. A lot of people accidentally compare completely different policies without even realizing it. Next, you want to understand liability limits. This is one of the biggest areas where quote comparisons can become misleading. Liability coverage helps pay for damage or injuries you cause to other people during accidents. Different policies can carry very different liability limits, which directly impacts pricing. A lower liability limit may reduce the monthly premium, but it also reduces your financial protection during serious accidents. That's why two quotes can look dramatically different, even if everything else appears similar. Many people accidentally lower their liability coverage while shopping because the cheaper price feels attractive in the moment. But insurance is really about protecting your finances long term, not only lowering your monthly payment. Next, you want to compare deductibles correctly. A higher deductible usually lowers the monthly premium because you're agreeing to pay more out of pocket if something does happen. A lower deductible usually increases the monthly payment because the insurance company takes on more risk instead. This is another reason quote comparisons can become confusing. One company may look cheaper simply because the deductible is significantly higher. That's why you always want to make sure the deductible structure stays consistent while comparing quotes. Otherwise, you're not actually comparing equal policies. If you want to compare quotes, what you want to do is use our link down in the description below. Once you click that link, again, you've already got all of your information that you need. You're going to type in your zip code, how many cars are on the policy, how old you are, if you're currently insured or not, which hopefully you already are, any at-fault accidents in the last 3 years, if you own your home or not, and then if you or a family member honorably served in the military. Then you're going to click submit, and then a bunch of different options are going to populate for you. Another mistake people make is estimating information inaccurately just to lower pricing. Some drivers underestimate annual mileage, leave out drivers living in the household, or simplify information hoping for cheaper rates. But honestly, inaccurate information can create problems later during claims or policy reviews. Insurance companies verify information in multiple ways now, and if important details are inconsistent, pricing adjustments can happen later on. The best approach is giving accurate information from the beginning so the quote reflects your real situation. The goal is getting a realistic quote that you can actually rely on. And one of the biggest advantages of shopping online now is comparing different insurance options. Different insurance companies calculate risk differently, which means pricing can vary dramatically between providers even for similar driving. That's why comparing multiple quotes matters so much. Some companies price aggressively for younger drivers, others prioritize safe driving history, bundling homeowner status, or low mileage differently. So many people are shocked at how large the pricing difference can be for nearly nearly identical coverage structures. That's why the quote comparison tool that I told you about is so important, because it allows you to review multiple options more efficiently instead of contacting companies individually one by one. Another mistake that people make is buying either way too little coverage or paying for coverage they don't fully understand. This usually happens because people focus only on price instead of overall protection. For examples, drivers with newer vehicles often care more about collision and comprehensive protection because repair costs become extremely expensive with modern vehicles. Older vehicles may change the equation entirely depending on replacement value and repair costs. Every driver situation is going to be different, and that's why understanding your own financial risk matters much more than simply copying somebody else's insurance setup. Another thing worth understanding is that larger insurance companies sometimes provide different overall experiences compared to smaller companies. Companies like State Farm often have larger repair networks, broader claims infrastructure, more agent availability, roadside assistance options, and stronger customer support systems. That doesn't automatically make them the best option for everybody, but it does explain why some drivers prioritize claims experiences and long-term reliability instead of only focusing on the lowest monthly premium. If you want to get started with State Farm and get a quote, we do have an exclusive link down below. But honestly, insurance quality becomes much more important once somebody actually has to file a claim. One thing that often surprises people is how often insurance rates change now. Insurance companies constantly update pricing models based on claims, trends, repair costs, inflation, accident data, theft trends, wealthier risk, and broader market conditions. That means somebody who had the cheapest rate last year may not have the cheapest rate today. This is one of the reasons reviewing quotes periodically can also make sense, even if you're relatively happy with your current provider. If you think you may be overpaying for car insurance, reviewing quotes online is the best and easiest way to understand your options. But the smartest approach is comparing policies carefully instead of only chasing the lowest number. Make sure deductibles, liability limits, and coverage structures stay consistent while comparing quotes, so you're actually reviewing equivalent policy. Good insurance is really about balancing affordability with financial protection. Again, if you want to go ahead and use our quote tool, we do have that link down in the description below. If you're leaning more towards State Farm, you also can go ahead and click our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. I know comparing insurance quotes can feel confusing because every company structures policies a little bit different and there's so many numbers involved. Once you understand what actually affects pricing and coverage, it becomes much easier to compare policies confidently. And that's exactly why you watched this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you make informed insurance decisions so you can protect yourself and your finances. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.